Okay, it's time to check our work on the problem. So we were solving for a rectangle that had an area of 693 square meters, and we know that it was 7 meters wide. So we knew the inside dimension and we know the outside dimension, but we want to know what is the length, or how long is it. We're solving 693 divided by 7, and we're going to build up with open arrays. So let's look at the example down here of how you could solve. I'm going to erase this and then kind of explain each part. So one thing you could do is called the over strategy. So basically you could say, 693 is really close to 700, and I know 7 times 100 would get me 700. And then I want to figure out if I just subtract one group of 7, take away one of those 7s off of 700, I would be left with 693. So I actually take off one of those 7s from our 99 as well. Or sorry, our 100 to get 99. So 100 minus one group of 7, so take away that 7, will get us our answer of 99.